switch-off date has been postponed again pending a ruling by the Court of Appeal. 3 Court of Appeal judges said they will give a ruling on whether the government should extend the switch-off date and if local private media houses should be granted a license to distribute digital frequencies under a pseudo company. Catherine Lomondo reports.
Approach included all those other consumer organizations.
The Court of Appeal is expected to make a ruling on whether major media houses should be awarded digital transmission licenses.
And we shall endeavor to give you a judgment on 14th March. And the second order, interim orders extended till delivery of the judgment.
Judges had earlier asked the Communications Commission of Kenya to find an amicable solution to the standoff, a suggestion which the petitioners welcomed, but the government did not seem as enthusiastic on an out-of-court settlement. Both sides continued to give their submissions.
Our submission is this, that the policy objective of the government has to be in accordance with the Constitution because this policy predated the agreement. We cannot be told about international obligations. While the government had already committed itself to going that way, but it has to go that way in accordance with the law and the Constitution of Kenya.
Lady and my lords, if your lordship just turn to page 474, please.
Well, my lord, can I have my objection recorded? We are responding to the submissions I made in accordance with the rules of this court.
Alleging an infringement of the right to a fair trial and the issue of bias. Justice Majanja himself reopened up the entire matter and actually set aside the judgment.
Another contentious issue was the fact that one of the companies awarded a distribution license is owned by 2 Chinese firms with no Kenyan shareholder. Pan-African Group is the second company to be awarded a license to distribute digital frequencies after the Kenya Broadcasting Corporation through its subsidiary, Signet.
If you look at page 174, there is no shareholder, and on page 174, who is the respondent in this case? The question of whole ownership or substantial ownership does not arise at all.
With the ruling set for the 14th of March, it means that the big switch off from analog to digital transmission has been suspended until the 3 appeal court judges put the matter to rest. Catherine Omwando, KTN.